Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will dive into the world of orchid pots for home decoration. If you are looking to add a touch of elegance and charm to your space, orchids are the perfect choice, and the pots they are housed in can truly make a statement. So let's explore some creative design ideas. First up, we have the classic ceramic pot available in a variety of colors and finishes. Ceramic pots are timeless and versatile. They provide a clean and sophisticated look, perfect for any style of home decor. Next, we have terracotta pots. These earthy pots add a rustic charm to your space and complement the natural beauty of orchids. Their porous materials also help regulate moisture levels, making them ideal for orchid cares. For those who prefer for a more modern aesthetic, consider glass pots. These sleek and transparent containers allows you to showcase the intricate root system of your orchids, adding an element or intrigue to your home decor. If you are feeling adventurous, why not try unconventional pots like mason jars or vintage teacups? Upcycling everyday items not only adds character to your space but also promotes sustainability. Now let's talk about how to incorporate these stunning orchid pots into your home decor. One idea is to create a focal point by clustering pots of varying sizes and designs together on a side table or a shelf. This creates visual interest and draws the eye towards the beauty of the orchids. Another option is to use orchid pot as accent pieces throughout your home. Place them on mantels, bookshelves, or even in bathrooms to add a pop of color and life to any room. For those with limited space, vertical gardening is the way to go. Consider mounting orchid pots on walls and hanging them from a stylish wall grid. Not only does this save space, but it also adds a touch of greenery to your walls. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of outdoor spaces. Orchids thrive in natural lights, making them this perfect addition to balconies, patios, and gardens. Use weather resistant pots and planters to create a lush houses right outside your decor. No matter how you choose to incorporate orchid pot into your home decor, the key is to have fun and get creative. Mix and match different pot styles, experiment with placement, and let your personality shines through. After all, there's no right or wrong way to decorate with orchids. Thanks for tuning in and happy decorating. Take care. Allah Hafiz.